All right, we're still at Giggle Ridge at Cultus Lake Adventure Park. We got roller coasters rolling over us. We're mini golfing at hole number 11. Are we tied, Mom?
Yep, we're tied.
We're tied, ladies and gentlemen. We're tied. Let's check out hole number 11. Coming down hole number 11. It looks like a straightaway, but it's kind of slightly downhill. All right, we're gonna leave you guys right here. All right, so you can tell us how the shot was. All right. Go ahead, Ma. Oh, okay. This could be very interesting. I have to, you're so close. Oh no! Not enough weedies. Here's number 3. Oh. Yep. Here it goes. For the win. For the win! Oh, ladies and gentlemen. Hole number 11, and she's now ahead of me by 1 hole. Oh, you gotta stay tuned for the next one. See that? I thought I saw a bird go by.